Hey guys, what's up? Kirby Smith checking out a roof for a roof repair. So this leak is coming in just a few feet from these skylights. Skylights here. Roof leak more or less showing up about right here. Noticing some things with this pipe that are probably going to be the culprit. Wanted to get a quick check on these shingles. Nah, I think we're all good here. All this stuff looks fine. So the roof leak's going to be coming in right here, right? The water gets in there. There's a cut right here, and that's going to be 75 to 85%. It's not 100%, but we are rather certain that that's what's causing this roof leak, right? You got a cut in the shingle. Water can go behind here. Get in. There's probably a nail right here that it's sort of dispersing to. Let's see. Opening this up a little bit. Kind of just placing that caulk there. Yeah, I'm not seeing a nail immediately, but it could certainly be getting in behind, underneath, and hitting any nail that's behind here. So I think the goal would just be to seal this up real good and, you know, reseal the cap too. That could be coming in right here as well. So, not the cap, but the collar. Anyways, guys, my name's Kirby Smith. I'm gonna get a quick video of the rest of the roof for my customer. I mentioned some things on her roof. Flashing, not desirable. Doesn't really seem to be right, but I'm not hearing about any. Oh, check out the goats. You don't see that every day. Flashing, not desirable. Not exactly the worst flashing I've ever seen, but you know, it is a problem, right? This would be a very good candidate for a chimney flashing replace. You've got exposed stuff right here. Water could be going in there. You know, and this is the kind of thing that a home inspector is going to catch should the home ever be sold. It just will. This is kind of funny right here. Whatever that is, I guess it's just like a weird shape to the boards. Okay, all right. Let's see here. Yeah, this roof, I remember it being a little bit worse shape. It's not really that bad. We got an exposed nail right there where a little piece of shingle blew off. And the gutters, these valleys seem to be clogging up with a bunch of gunk and such. But yeah, I think that roof leak is probably going to be coming from just a little simple crack in a shingle or a collar that, you know, needs to be sealed up a little bit better. So anyways, guys, my name's Kirby Smith. I'm with Lightspeed Construction, and that's my findings here. Thank you.